How to fix US Bank app not working. If the US Bank application isn't working for you, the first thing you can try to check is your Wi-Fi or internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. If you're using proxy or any of the VPN settings, make sure to disable that temporarily as well. If you're using the US Bank app on Android, long press the US Bank app icon, tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page. This setting will be found on any Android device, by the way. Then from here go to storage and you can clear the cache files and clear the data. Before clearing your data, understand that it will reset the app. So if you're logged in, it will also log you out of your account. For iPhone users, you can just choose to offload the app. Now go to your Play Store App Store, search for the US Bank app, check if it has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. This way you can fix if the US Bank app isn't working. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.